Hello, welcome to the palm reading tutorial part 6. So in the previous lecture you had learned about the Saturn or the middle finger. So moving to the next, which is the ring finger, which is exactly opposite to the Saturn or the middle finger. So these people are, or this quality are mostly like extrovert in nature. So previous one, the middle finger, tells about the introvert qualities. These are the thing which tells about your extrovert qualities. So it tells understanding and interest in the external beauty, and that includes beauty of art, beauty of nature, and even beauty of woman. This finger gives desire of material pleasure, such as big car, big house, partying, dancing, eating, drinking, etc. And it tells the keenness to for show, fame, and lots of friends. And if the finger is average or almost equal to the index finger, or reaching 2/3 of the nail phalange of the middle finger, then an average length of the ring finger. It is tell about the average degree of the quality that I mentioned before. So now the people who has a long finger, long ring finger, so they are the people who found stuck in the false glory, and the long ring finger increase the interest in the things I explained before. And also these are the people who wants to earn money fast, and they take interest in the gambling, racing, and risk taking behavior they have. Then they also earn good benefits from this one. And the small finger keeps away from fame and light, and these people never take a risk, and they want to remain on the safer side, and they are also want to avoid the crowd. And as we have two rule, right? So refer to rule 1, so which says the longer finger increases the quality, and it will gives you a strong personality also in that part. And the as a finger decreases, or the smaller finger will give rise to the decrease in the quality. Now the curve ring finger. If you have the curve ring finger, then you have the material desire in the showing off, and these people want to show their money, luxury, and expensive items. And for example, they talk about their dinner in the big hotel and like that things. And people who has a zigzag ring finger, and they are the people who can do anything to satisfy their material desire or other thing. So as the rule 2 says, a straight finger tells that this quality and desire are going to be in the right direction, and the person has used their quality in the positive way. And the curve finger tells that there is a bit of wrong direction for this quality and the desire. And also, if you have a zigzag finger, this quality are being taken in a very negative way. So the next one is just a visual look of how the straight, curve, and zigzag look like. So this was about the ring finger, and in the next one we will learn about the little finger. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, or you can follow my Instagram page, which is palm reading. Thank you.